Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone. First, open the Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Move to iOS, then tap on the app when it appears. Now, tap on Install and wait for the app to finish downloading. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch the app. Now, tap Agree to accept the terms. Then, tap Continue to move forward. You'll see the terms and conditions, read through them if you like, then tap Agree again. Next, the app will ask about sending usage data. Choose Automatically Send or you can skip it if you prefer. Make sure both devices are connected to power so they don't run out of the battery during the transfer. Tap Continue again. The app will now ask for location permissions. Tap Continue, then Allow when prompted. After that, tap Allow again to enable notifications. Now, tap Settings and turn on the toggle for Use Location. Then, tap Continue once more. Now it's time to connect your Android device to your iPhone. Use a USB cable with an adapter if needed. Once connected, tap Continue in the Move to iOS app. You should now see a code appear on your iPhone screen. If you don't see a code, make sure your iPhone is still in the setup process and has selected from Android as the transfer option. Finally, enter the code into the Move to iOS app on your Android phone to start transferring your WhatsApp chats. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.